guys, so one thing I want to check is the MPG on the Corvette, if it's accurate. As you can see, if you can read that, it's 197.6 miles. It's close to half a tank. So as soon as I fill up, I'll get the numbers, and then I will go home and do the calculations and see if we are actually getting 24.8 miles per gallon, or if that is just completely bogus. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so I'm in the process of making this video. As you can see, 197.6 miles on the odometer, almost half empty. 24.8 miles per gallon. I got the gas slip right here, how much gas I filled it up with. You probably won't be able to see this, featuring Rusty's car. We got 8.229 gallons. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go 197.6 divided by the gallons I just filled up with, 8.229, and that is 24 miles a gallon. So it looks like 24.8 miles per gallon. That doesn't look like it's adding up. That looks like a scam to me. So 24.8 miles per gallon there, 24.01 miles here. So you be the judge and tell me. I'm pretty sure it's a scam. It's pretty close though, so anyways, maybe it's fudged a little bit, but I was idling there for a little bit, so maybe that's where I lost some. I don't know. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully that helps you out. You be the judge and decide what you want to call it, if it's a scam or if it's actually accurate. So just gonna do a short little video here. So if you're stopping by, I just want to say thanks. I am making 2 videos. I'm in the process of making 2 videos, if you can see me, and I'm gonna try to get those out real quickly, so before I watch the NBA basketball game today at 5 o'clock. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See ya.